Hi guys. So last week I actually didn't do videos every day for US study. Had a really busy week, and but yeah, so I thought I'll do a quick analysis of GBPUSD for the week and see what we're looking for, for the coming week in terms of trades. So I'm looking at let's just go to the monthly, shall we? Because we have come to the end of the month. So yeah. So look at that now. So we were on a nice downtrend, and then we had an uptrend here. Overall, on GBP USD, if you can see, we are on a downtrend. My 200 moving average is right there. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to turn all of this off so that, okay, it looks cleaner, if that makes sense, guys. Okay. So we've had a nice downtrend. Okay. What I do want you guys to also take note of is this is not a monthly though. Okay, look, I'm going to draw a line here. So we are right at a very crucial zone where you can see prices come and touch this area several times. Okay, it has bounced right here as well. If you guys can see, if you just sometimes price is all about like price doesn't go to a particular place because it just feels like I want to go there. There's a reason, and I think price always, you know goes back to areas of very strong POI. So right now, I think we are on a very, very strong zone. What I would like to do is actually do a flip from the top of this down move. I want to see like where we are with the retracement. I'm just trying to get it as accurate. Okay, there we go. This is beautiful. Look at that. Okay, so if you see the zone, we are on a downtrend and we had a retracement to the upside. Price has hit the 0.618, which is the golden zone right now. Okay, so I am expecting price to reject this area here because it's a strong area of influence and I want price to drop. Okay, so this would be the baseline where I think price could possibly drop to and then rebound back possibly if it wants to do a retracement, or we have got a zone here. So these are the few areas in the monthly areas that, which I would think that you guys might want to have a look at. So we've got a zone right here. Okay, these are all mini zones, and then obviously we've got another zone, oops, another zone right here, so, and right at the bottom, this whole area here, right? Okay, possibly until this week. So these will be the areas of take profits or areas of interest. I think price could come down too. Okay, this is on a monthly. On a weekly, I would like to see price step down. So you can see price here doing a downtrend, right? We've got an important POI right there, which price has touched into. However, this is also another area that I think price possibly could come, right? Because there is a gap that needs to be filled. There's an imbalance here, right here, right? So we could possibly see price. It'd be interesting. I don't think, let me see. Yeah, 320 pips. Okay, so before price starts to tank, the possibility is we could see price go up this area of interest. Okay, and then obviously I should probably draw a magnet and then come right back down. Okay, and then obviously test this again and come drop down again. However, what I do want to also say is if you guys want to look for sells, you need to wait for a break of structure to happen. Now let's see where we are with this. Okay. Oh, okay. This is interesting right now. Look at this. So we are on a daily right now. We had a nice uptrend. We had a downtrend. Up. So this was the low at this point. Okay. And price has literally broken the structure below this wick. So right now I'm actually looking for sells, guys. So this actually becomes invalid if you were to ask me right now. Oopsie. I wanted to delete this off. Look at all these dots that I've made a mess of now. Goodness. Anyway, I'll delete all of these markings later. Doesn't matter. Okay. So price has broken structure on a daily, guys. This is an area of interest which price has tapped into. I'd be interested to see what our okay. So on a weekly basis, you can see prices actually stepping down. Like I said, these are the areas of interest. I'm going to on this. Yeah, so we've got a fair value gap right there. Price could be coming into this fair value gap area and touching this zone. So this will be my area 1.2600, guys. Like this will be the area of interest for sales in GBPUSD. Okay. So I'm just actually going to mark it so I know what I'm doing with this. I am actually just going to mark this whole area of sell fair value gap and PP1 area. This is on a weekly. So just so that I know what this box is, because typically sometimes I kind of turn all this off and all I have is sometimes just my markings. Okay, I'm just going to delete all of this just so that it's neat. Okay, I'm going to keep that at the bottom there. All right, so this is where I do think price possibly could go. So I'm actually going to go up to the 1 hour and possibly look for sell. Like you see on the 1 hour, we're already below this, right? Yeah, so I literally would be ready for a sell entry right now. Like this is a break of structure right here on the 15 minutes. Okay, so literally we have an active trade that we could go into. What I would like, let's see if there's a fair value gap right here. Yeah, price has already tapped into this fair value gap. Actually, look at that. Okay, I should have deleted it. Look at this. So this is on the 30 minutes. We had a fair value gap right here. Price went right into it and then it dipped. Right? So literally what I would be interested in doing is looking for a possible re-entry into the market when market opens. The thing about this is I will not be taking any trades once market opens straight away. So I would just wait for it to tether and go back into the zone to retest. Like this is already tapped, so I do need to see any potential entries. There we go. Like, what is this? Okay. Yeah. So I will wait for another re-entry possible setup to happen. As of now, I'm not able to see exactly where we went. I will not enter anytime now. So literally we you see it's tapped into this. So I do believe price will go up a little bit more and over here possibly and then come down. So I'm going to be looking for sells on GBP USD overall. You guys know the target area of where I think price possibly would go. So this would be, where did I draw that? Turn all this off. Yeah. So I'm expecting price to tap into this area, guys. That's basically all there is to it. Okay, so that's GBP USD. It's for me, it's on sales at the moment. I'm on a 3 hour. I'm just trying to see like where possibly price could re-enter on. Yeah, I see all this. Like, look, on a 3 hour, we had a nice fair value gap right here. Price went in and entered here. Price possibly could go 50% of this, so we can expect a little bit. This is what I would hope for price to do, like just to go up a little bit more and give us that. Look at this. So we've got a fair value gap right here. Okay, so price possibly could push right into that, come up, go 50%, and then drop. So this would be the ideal scenario that I would be looking for. And okay, this is okay. I'm on a 1 hour. I'm going to delete the 3 hours one and I'm going to draw it here instead. Sometimes I just enjoy looking for fair value gaps because it gives us a nice entry, guys. Okay, you see, this is what I mean. Like we drew the earlier, this is a more sniper shot. So I'm actually wanting price to go right into this area, tap into this, and then drop right back down, guys. Okay. So this is what I think price could be doing. However, because it's on a down, this was a fair value get withdraw. So price could just drop a little bit more when market opens, and then we could see a retracement up to the upside to fill this, and then hopefully drop. And that's literally what I would expect price to do, just because it has already given us a break of structure on a daily. So I'm thinking price could be very, very bearish, but I'm just waiting for the right re-entry position, and this is what I'll be looking for on an hour. right? So price to drop a little bit more, tap this fair value gap, and then go right up into this one here, even possibly this zone rejected, and then drop right back to the area of interest on the weekly that we drew up. Right, so that's GBPUSD overall. That's what I think price could be doing for the coming week or so. So let's see how that moves. And in between the week, if I do get some time, I'll do another follow up or recap on what price is doing and how we have been faring with GBPUSD. And see you guys back with another video.